everyone, welcome to Geeetech. This is Spring, and today we're going to invite a very special person from Germany. He's a 3D printer enthusiast, and he loves a lot about the 3D printing. And today, as you can see in his home, that he already printed various of 3D printing items. His home, we can tell that he is a great lover of life, and his hand-on ability. He can print various of practical tools and decorations for his life. From his workbench, we can know that 3D printing is an inseparable part of his life. I believe 3D printing should give him a lot happy and fun time.